Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. If you're new to my channel, I make educational and informative videos for CA, CS and CMA students as well as members, and videos on MCA notifications and little bit of planning, organizing and motivation as well. So today's video is on for the students who were unable to clear the CS executive or CS professional examination. It's okay, it happens. These exams are actually the exams in which you can end up giving 1 or 2 or 3 attempts, so it's completely fine. It's okay, don't lose hope. First question that pops in everybody's mind is, now what to do next? First of all, I would tell you to count on your attempts. If you are facing lots and lots of attempts, I would suggest you to sit and think about it, that are you proceeding the right path, or is it right to continue on it again and again? Because too many attempts could lead to frustrations, could lead to irritation, anger. So it's always nice to sit back and think about it, that whether I'm doing the right thing, is it the right path? And I will try again, I will give in the next attempt. So this time, change your strategy, follow some new strategy, some new way of studying, maybe that will work. Ditch the old ways or ditch the old strategies which you were already trying. This time, do something new, study in a new way. Take the guidance of the friends who have already cleared it, or take the guidance of mentors and listen to lots and lots of people who have cleared it, what they did, what strategies did they followed that they had cleared the examinations. This point is very important, especially the ones who have cleared it. They can guide you in the best manner. This time, try to put full efforts. Try to think that yes, this is my last attempt. I will be giving it for the last time. This is the last shot, and then start preparing. To get motivated, if you're feeling demotivated or if you're feeling sad about your results, you can listen to lots and lots of motivational speakers. Most of the successful people have such stories that leads to, motivation, that actually fills lots and lots of courage in us also, that yes, if they can do, we can also do. Most of the successful people have faced failure, have faced backlash of the society, or have faced lots and lots of problem in achieving that success. So you can listen to such motivational speakers so that your confidence also boosts up for the next examination. And one more important thing that you can do is to talk to your seniors or talk to the people who have cleared it, rather than talking to somebody who has no knowledge about it. Because sometimes the people who don't have any knowledge about the course, about the curriculum, or about the career opportunities, they tend to give us wrong advice on the basis of their own knowledge. So it's always best to talk to somebody who is in this course, or who has cleared it, or who's your senior, who's a pass out. It's always good to talk to them, because they are the ones who would give you the right guidance. They are the ones who would give you the right advice, rather than the ones who actually don't know anything about the course. Suni sunai baatein bolte hain. Listening to the people who actually don't know about the curriculum, who actually don't know about the syllabus, and they just quote the examples of some of their random relatives who have cleared it, or who actually themselves don't have proper knowledge, and by quoting their relatives examples that XYZ has cleared, he has cleared, she has cleared, they actually pressurize you and they actually demotivate you. So it's always good to not to listen to such people, and talk to the professionals, talk to your friends who have passed up. So talk to the actual professionals, rather than listening to random people. These are the little things that you can follow if this time you have not cleared and you plan to sit for the next time. All the best from my side. It's okay, don't lose hope, stay calm, and don't listen to random people. I hope you found the video informative. If you got anything to take away from this video, please hit like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest as well. Bye.